Unlock a world of communities and conversations on Telegram by mastering how to join any group with these simple methods. First, let's dive into the most common way to join a Telegram group: invite links. Typically, you'll receive an invite link to a group. This could be from a friend, a website, or another social media platform. When you tap on this link, Telegram will automatically open. You'll then see a preview of the group, showing its name and sometimes a description. Simply tap the Join Group button at the bottom of the screen, and you're in. But what if you don't have an invite link? You can also join groups by searching for them directly. Open your Telegram app and tap the search icon, usually located at the top of the screen. Type in the exact name of the group you're looking for. As you type, Telegram will suggest matching groups. Scroll through the results until you find the group you want. Tap on the group name to open its preview. Once again, you'll see the group's details. Tap Join Group to become a member. For another quick and easy method, you can use QR codes. Many Telegram groups provide a QR code that you can scan in the Telegram app. Go to Settings, then tap on the Scan QR Code option. Point your phone's camera at the QR code for the group you wish to join. The app will recognize the code and take you to the group's preview page. Just tap Join Group to enter the community. And that's how you effortlessly join Telegram groups using invite links, direct search, and QR codes, connecting you to millions of conversations worldwide.